Hello class 1, I welcome you to a new class. I will be your computer teacher. My name is Benson Irobe. In this our online section, we are going to start with the topic, what is a computer? I repeat, what is a computer? Okay, in this topic we will learn some new things. We'll learn things like the natural and man-made things. We will learn about the computer, what a computer really is, and we'll also learn about machines. We'll also learn about what? Machines. Okay, I believe we have seen computers in many places. Even your parents also have a computer you have computer in your houses. Your parents have one, or in your school you have seen computers. Okay, so today we are going to learn about these computers that we have seen. But first we have to know some certain things. What are those things we need to know? We'll pick out natural things. What are what? Natural things. Natural things are things made by nature. Natural things are things made by nature. What are those things made by nature? They are all in our environment. We live with those things that are made by nature. Some are accessible while some are not accessible. Some we can actually see them. Okay, now what are those things made by nature? Things like rain, things like the cloud, things like plants, things like animals, things like the sun, things like the moon, also rocks. All of these things are made by nature because they are the things that was not created by man. They were made by nature. Okay, so anything made by nature are called what? Natural things. Examples again are the cloud, are the rain, are the rocks, are the moons, are the plants, are the animals. I know you all have seen most of these things. Okay, some of you like animals, you have some animals in your house, domestic animals. Animals like the dog is in your house. Animals like the cat is also in your house. Okay, some of you have seen some wild animals. Animals like the lions. Okay, all these types of animals are what? Natural things because they were made by nature. Now what about those things made by man, which we call them man-made things? Man-made things are the things made by humans. Man-made things are the things made by humans. Who are the humans? Me and you. Things made by humans are called man-made things. What are the examples of man-made things that we can find around us? Chair, table, television. They are the things made by what? Humans. Other examples are the what? The slides, the car, the pencils, the books, even the computer we are learning today are the things made by human. Do you know that the computer is made by somebody? Somebody made the computer. Okay, so since someone made the computer, which means the computer is also a man-made thing. The computer is also what? A man-made thing. Examples of man-made things again, we have things like the tables, things like the chair, things like the television, things like the slides, things like pencils, things like cars. These are things like balls. These are all what? Man-made things. These are all what? Man-made things. These are all what? Man-made things. Toys, they are all what? Man-made things. What are man-made things? Man-made things are things made by humans. Man-made things are things made by human. Okay, now another section of this class we want to look at are the what? Machines. Are the what? Machines. Are the what? Machines. But before we start talking about machines, I have one question for you. Please take out your notebook, write the topic computer, write the subject computer and the topic what is a computer. Then I want you to look inside your house. I want you to look inside your house, your room, and mention 5 things that were made by man. Mention 5 things that were made by man. Once you mention it, put it down inside your notebook. 5 things that was made by man, that is in your room, is in your home, is in your house. 5 things made by man. Okay, now let's continue. What is a machine? What is a machine, or what are machines? What are machines? Machines are made by humans. Machines are made by humans, and they make our work easy. They also save our time. With the help of the machines, we will be able to do so much things in a little time. So much things in what? A little time. It makes our work very easy, and it saves us some time. Okay, what are example of things that we can call machines? I know you in class 1, you do use it. Some of you all in class 1 have it. Your parents have bought that for you. Okay, what are those things that we can call machines that you have? Okay, things like the what? Sharpener. Things like the what? Sharpener. The sharpener is a machine. The sharpener is a machine that is used to sharpen pencils. The sharpener is a machine that is used to sharpen pencils. I know you've checked inside your bag now, you have sharpener in there. What are other things that you have? Scissors. The what? Scissors. A pair of scissors is a machine. It is used for cutting things. I can use the scissors to cut papers into 2. I can use the scissors to cut what? Papers into 2. What are other machines that you have? Stapler. A stapler is used to staple sheets together. Okay, let me bring a stapler. This is a stapler. I can use it to staple sheets together. Look at it. I have this stapler. I put sheets together. Okay, you all have a stapler in your bags, or in your father's office you have what? A stapler. We also have wheels. We also have wheels. Some of you play with wheels. Okay, so these are some simple machines that we can find in our bags, in our schools. What are other machines that can be found in our school and also in our environment? Maybe possible in your home. Example is the what? Abacus machine. Abacus machine. The abacus machine is the machine that was used for counting. It's made up of beads and sticks, colorful beads and sticks. We use the abacus machine for counting. We can use the abacus machine for addition. We can use the abacus machine for subtraction. We can use the abacus machine for multiplication. The abacus machine is made of what? Colorful beads, and they are used for counting. So, what are other machines that are found in your house, in your home? Microwave oven. Microwave oven. The oven is also a machine. Television. Television is also a machine. Refrigerator that we use in cooling things. Refrigerator is also a machine. I know you have a refrigerator in your house and you just looked at it. Okay, so that's a machine. Today you have known that. What are other machines that we have? Computer is a machine. Mobile phone is what? A machine. Mobile what? Phone. This is a mobile phone. Is also what? A machine. Okay, so we have machines that are found in our houses: air conditioner, washing machine, mobile phone, telephone, okay, refrigerator, television. These are all machines that are found in our homes. Okay, so car, buses, aeroplanes and trains are also called machines. Cars are machines. Aeroplanes that we can use in traveling are machines. Buses that we use to travel from one point to another is also a machine. And we also have the trains. Trains is also what? A machine. Have you joined the train before? It's a wonderful experience if you travel with train. Okay, it's a wonderful experience. I bet you should try it one time. So aeroplane, cars, buses and trains, all these are what? Machines. All these are what? Machines. Do you know that the washing machine that we use to wash our clothes is also a machine? The washing machine is also what? A machine. Okay, so I will leave you with this. I want you to draw clouds. I want you to draw some clouds. Draw about 8 clouds, and put up different machines that you have in your houses. Put up different machines that you have in your houses. Do it inside your book. Draw 8 clouds and write the 8 different machines on each of those clouds that you have drawn. Okay, each of those clouds that you have drawn, okay, write the name of one machine that is found around you, that is found what around you. So now I repeat again, what are machines? Machines are things made by humans. Machines are things made by humans. Machines make our work easy. Machines make our work easy, and machines saves us some time. Machines saves us some time. Okay. Now we said we'll learn about computer. We've talked about machines, we've talked about man-made things, we've talked about natural things. Now let's talk about the computer. What is a computer? A computer is what? An electronic machine. A computer is an electronic machine. A computer helps us to store things. A computer helps us to draw pictures. A computer helps us to write letters. And a computer helps us to do sums. So we can draw pictures with the computer, we can store things inside the computer, we can do sums with the computer, we can write letters with the computer, we can also see movies with the computer, we can also listen to music with the what? Computer. So the computer helps us to do so many things. We have 2 major types of computer at your level. We have the laptop computer and the desktop computer. The laptop computer, like what I'm using now, okay, it can be carried everywhere. But the desktop computer always stays on the desk. That's why we said it's a desktop computer. A desktop computer always stays on the desk. That's why it is called what? Desktop computer. That's why it is called desktop computer. They are very big and we cannot carry it everywhere. We cannot what? Carry it everywhere. Okay? So what are computer? Computer is a machine. Computer is what? A machine. It is what? An electronic machine. It is what? An electronic machine. Now I know that you would like to visit the computer lab, but if you visit the computer lab, we have some rules. You have to obey some computer manners. What are those manners? Do not make noise in the computer lab. Do not make noise in the computer lab. Do not bring water to the computer lab. Do not bring water to the computer lab. Also, do not eat in the computer lab. Do not eat in the what? Computer lab. Food and drinks are not to be brought into the computer lab. Now, inside the computer lab, don't touch any computer except you are asked to do so. Don't touch any computer except you are asked to do so. Okay? So, I believe this is a wonderful section. You have learned a lot of things. If you have any question, you can drop any question in the link below, or you can contact me privately. Thank you very much. Bye. See you in our next class.